everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a really easy and delicious recipe. I've done a bunch of recipes here on my channel of quick and easy meals, and I will have the playlist linked down below for it. I did make those a few years ago, but I've started making a lot more meals recently, and if you guys would like me to do more quick and easy meals that you can have for lunch or dinner, definitely let me know in the comments down below. So today, I will be showing you guys how to make Reuben egg rolls. I am a huge pastrami fan, and this actually popped up on my TikTok from Cooking with Daryl. I am not taking credit in any way, shape, or form for this. I am just making it based off of what he did, and I also want to mention there are no specific measurements. I just eyeballed it like he did, and I did use a few different ingredients than him. I actually find a ton of really good recipes from TikTok, and since I liked it so much, I figured I would come on here and show you guys how I made it. And without further ado, let's get started. The ingredients you will need are egg roll wraps, which can be found in the produce section, shredded sauerkraut, shredded Swiss cheese, pastrami, which I got from the deli, yellow mustard, 1 egg, avocado oil spray, and Thousand Island dressing. Before I put the ingredients together, I beat 1 egg, which is used to seal the egg rolls. Then I began putting a large handful of deli pastrami into a large bowl, along with a handful of shredded Swiss cheese, a few spoonfuls of sauerkraut, and I squirted yellow mustard on top. To combine the ingredients, I just used a fork and mixed it all together. I also realized that I forgot to slice the pastrami beforehand, so I took a pair of meat shears and cut it up. Once everything was mixed together, I took an egg roll wrap and laid it flat on a cutting board with the corner facing me. Next, I put a little over a forkful of the mixture in the center of the wrap and brushed the egg wash along all 4 sides, which will help seal the egg roll. To wrap it, I started by folding the corner closest to me upwards, then I folded each side inward and rolled up the rest. And I continued to do this until I ran out of the mixed ingredients. To cook them, I laid them on the tray that came with our air fryer, and I went ahead and sprayed them with avocado oil over the sink, and this just helps to make them crispy because avocado oil is a high heat oil. Then I put the tray in the air fryer on 370 degrees for 10 minutes, and I did make sure to keep an eye on them just in case I saw that they were burning, which they did not. Once they were cooked all the way through, this is what they looked like. They are super crispy, super good, and I cannot recommend them enough. And once they had cooled down, I went ahead and ate them with some Thousand Island dressing. So that is just how I made my Reuben egg rolls in the air fryer. Let me tell you, they are mouth-watering good, and my whole entire family devoured all of the ones I made. It definitely takes a few times to get the hang of making them, but once you got it down, they are super easy to do. It is a really quick and easy lunch or dinner, and it also has a really easy cleanup, which is nice. I will also go ahead and leave the playlist of other meal videos I have here on my channel in the description box for you guys. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I upload new content regularly and would love it if you'd become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!